Welcome to the Template Stand. Today we're diving into how to make a logo that turns heads in 2025. And no, you don't need to be a designer or even an artist. Just a little creativity and a few tools and you are all set. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make a logo that stands out, captures your brand's vibe, and looks great on everything from a business card to a billboard. Plus, I'll keep it fun, quick, and simple. So if you're ready to bring your business vision to life, let's get started. Step 1, what makes a good logo? Here's the deal with logos. You want something memorable, versatile, and uniquely you. So let's break that down. Memorable, think of a logo that pops in your head instantly. That's what you want. Versatile, your logo should look just as good on a website as it does on a hot cocoa mug. Timeless, sure, trends are cool, but a good logo lasts. You'll want something that represents you right now and for the future. Step 2, know your audience and industry. Before we jump into design, let's talk about who your logo is for. Take a second to think about this. Maybe get out your pen and paper and write it down. Who are you trying to connect with? Are they young and trendy or professional and classic? What's popular in your industry? And what's going to make you feel like it's standing out? Doing this helps you figure out what styles might work and gives you some great ideas to make your logo fit while still being unique. Step 3, choose your style. Now for the fun part, there are a few types of logos, so pick one that works best for you. First, there's a Wordmark, which is a unique font for your brand name. Think Google. Second is a lettermark, which is brand initials, like HBO. Third is an icon or a symbol, a memorable image like Apple. Fourth is a combination mark, a mix of text and an icon like Adidas. If you're unsure, a combination mark is usually a safe bet. It lets you use text and a symbol, so you have that flexibility. Step 4, colors and fonts, the fun part. Colors and fonts are huge in setting the tone for your brand. Here's an easy trick. For colors, think about the mood you want to convey. Soft colors are in right now, but bold colors can be perfect if you want energy and excitement. And fonts, keep it readable. That is number 1. A lot of times you see fancy logos and you're not exactly sure what it's telling you. So keep it readable. And sans serif fonts are modern and clean, while serifs had a touch of a classic style. It's easy, right? You don't need to go wild here. Just go with what feels like you and aligns with your brand. Step 5, sketch and digitize. This is really fun too. So it's time to get those ideas on paper. Start with a quick sketch and get a sense of what works. Then use digital tools like Canva for beginners, which is so easy. And it's even free. There's some versions of that. And Adobe Illustrator if you want more customization. And I actually learned Adobe because I wanted that customization down to the pixel. I wanted to be able to just move things around exactly how I want, where you don't necessarily get that with Canva. And you'll be able to try different layouts, fonts, and colors until you are happy with it. This step is all about exploring and finding what feels right for your brand. There are no wrong answers, just play around and have fun with it. And a lot of times when I'm designing, I feel like it's most effective when I'm designing with my client. And so they can help me. They might see something in their head and say, oh, let's try this. And we'll try it and be like, no, that's not what I was thinking. And then as we keep tweaking and tweaking, then it's like, yes, this is exactly what they want. And that's what you'll find too, is it'll just take time for you to move things around and you'll know when it is perfect. So step 6, test your logo. Let's make sure your logo works in real life. Test how it looks. Test it small and large on social media and on a website. And then you'll want to test it in black and white and different colors against different backgrounds. That'll kind of give you an idea if this is going to work for you. So this way you'll know what's going to look great wherever you use it. And there you have it. You've just created a logo that's unique to your brand and ready to go for 2025 and beyond. And here's the fun part. If this video helped you create a logo, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. I would love to see what you came up with. And so tag me or drop a link below if you want to show it off. And if you're excited to keep building your brand, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my other quick and easy tips. Thank you so much for watching and happy designing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.